In this lecture, we will discuss how circular convolution will be performed using matrix method and using DFT and IDFT method. First is using matrix method. The example is same as we considered in the last lecture. x1 of n is given as 0, 1, 2, 3 and h of given was 2, 1, 1, 2. Take any sequence, either x1 of n or h of n, and write here I consider x1 of n and I write the sequence 0, 1, 2, 3 as 0, 1, 2, 3. As we know, the length of sequence is n, capital N is equals to 4. So we circularly rotate this 0, 1, 2, 3 three times. As the length of sequence is 4, we rotate it by n minus 1 times, means 3 times. Like the sequence written as 0, 1, 2, 3, we rotate first, 3 will be at this position and then we write 0, 1, 2. This is first time. Then second time the last value will be at this 2. Then we write 3, 0, 1 and then I will rotate for third time. The last value 1 will be at here. Then we write 2, 3 and 0. This will become matrix only 3 times. If n is equals to 4, then we'll rotate only 3 times. Consider this is the first rotation, this is the second rotation and this is the third rotation. When you will try to rotate it in fourth, then it will be same, so there is no need to rotate for the fourth value. Only 3 times it will be rotated. Any sequence 0, 1, 2, 3 or 2, 1, 1, 2, any, it doesn't matter. You have to consider this or you can consider this sequence. So the values are here. Write the second matrix 2, 1, 1, 2, this one. If you rotate this matrix, then write here x1 of n. Clear? Then matrix multiplication. 2 multiplied by 0 is 2, 0 multiplied by 2 is 0, plus 3 multiplied by 1 is 3, plus 2 multiplied by 1 is 2, plus 1 multiplied by 2 is 2 and the value becomes 7. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7. Similarly for second, 1 multiplied by 2 is 2, 0 multiplied by 1 is 0, 3 multiplied by 1 is 3 and 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. The value becomes 9. Similarly for this row, 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, 0 multiplied by 1 is 0, 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. It becomes 4, 1 plus 0 plus 6 means 11. Similarly for this, 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, 2 multiplied by 1 is 2, 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, plus 0 multiplied by 2 is plus 0. It becomes 6 plus 2, 8 plus 1, 9. Hence the result is 7, 9, 11 and 11, 9. Hence the result by matrix method is same as we consider the result by graphical method, that is 7, 9, 11, 9. Similarly, we can perform circular convolution using DFT and IDFT method, using discrete Fourier transform and IDFT method. The steps are: step 1, take 4-point DFT of sequence x1 of n. Why 4 point? Because the length of sequence is 4. Take 4-point DFT of x1 of n sequence. By the easy method will be using Twiddle factor. Clear? Using Twiddle factor. Then step 2, take 4-point DFT of sequence h of n. The given sequence is 2, 1, 1, 2. The step 3 will be then multiply output from step 1 and step 2, means multiply x1. If we write it as DFT of x1 of n written as x1 of k and this is written as h of k. Then in third step, multiply x1 of k with h of k. Then the last step is take inverse DFT of step 3. This will be the your answer. Here you can write y of k at step 3. Y of k will be equals to x1 of k multiply by h of k. Then when you take inverse DFT, you will take inverse DFT of this y of k, and inverse DFT will be y of m, and the answer of this, or you can say y of m, should be equal to 7, 9, 11, 9. The DFT of this should be equals to inverse DFT of y of k should be equal to 7, 9, 11, 9. Try this method yourself and you will get the answer. Thank you.